Again, thank you very much. And we are not ending here because I'm going to present another present aside from the Chanel, aside from their bracelet. I also receive this gadgets. So watch out for this, guys. So guys, aside from this perfume, aside from Chanel perfume, aside from my bracelet, I also received this one, guys, because this is Type C to digital AV adapter. So from your phone, from your Type C phone, or from your MacBook. So Type C to your digital AV adapter, intended for USB, for HDMI, and I don't know what's this, guys. Basta it has 3 cables intended for USB, HDMI, and I don't think what's the purpose of the third hole. Basta it's Type C to digital AV adapter. And at the same time, I also have another cable. So from this is lightning to C, lightning to Type C. Okay. And then aside from this, we also have, so again, flexing this Type C to digital AV adapter.